Hi, good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all good. Welcome to our Nirbhaya High School. I am your Indira ma'am. I am your Indira ma'am. Yes, my dear children. Today's slokam. Everyone stand up. Come on, children, stand up. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Come and start. Deepam karoti kalyanam. Deepam karoti kalyanam. Arogyam dhanasampada. Arogyam dhanasampada. Shatrubuddhi vinashaya. Shatrubuddhi vinashaya. Deepajyoti namostute. Deepajyoti namostute. Once again repeat, children. Deepam karoti kalyanam. Deepam karoti kalyanam. Arogyam dhanasampada. Arogyam dhanasampada. Shatrubuddhi vinashaya. Shatrubuddhi vinashaya. Deepajyoti namostute. Deepajyoti namostute. Open your eyes. Put your hands down. Come on, let us start the class. Yes. What is the date today? Today date 11. Today date 11. Which month? December. Which month? December. Year 2020. What is the date today? Today is Friday. Today is Friday. Today I am teaching you EVS. EVS means Environmental Science. Environmental Science. Today we will discuss about underwater environment. Underwater environment. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Come on, children, take out your textbook. Level 2. Level 2. Open page number 52. Page number 52. Open page number 52. Some aquatic animals breathe oxygen through their gills. Some aquatic animals breathe oxygen through their gills. Through their gills. While the other go to the surface of the water to breathe air through lungs. Through lungs. Some of the aquatic animals are sea horse, seal, penguin, whale and coral. Look around for some of the aquatic animals here and learn more. Hey children, this is blue whale. Blue whale. What is the spelling of blue whale? B-L-U-E. Blue. W-H-A-L-E. Whale. Blue whale. Blue whale. B-L-U-E. Blue. W-H-A-L-E. Whale. Blue whale. Blue whale is the largest water animal. Blue whale is the largest water animal. Hey children, blue whale is the largest water animal. You will be amazed to know that compared to all other whales, the blue whale can create the loudest sound under the sea. Loudest sound under the sea. They can eat almost 4,000 kilograms of food every day. 4,000 kilograms for every day. And can live up to 90 years. Can live up to 90 years. Hey children, blue whale is the largest water animal. Blue whale is the largest water animal. They eat 4,000 kilograms for every day. They live 90 years up to 90 years. This is the dolphin. Dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. Dolphins are extremely intelligent. Dolphins are extremely intelligent. When they sleep, their one eye is open to look out and half of their brain is awake. They never chew their food. They never chew their food. They just bite. They just bite. And they just swallow. They just bite and swallow. They just bite and swallow. You will be amazed to know that they can dive up to 1,000 feet. Up to 1,000 feet. Dolphins are most intelligent. Dolphins are most intelligent. They sleep with one eye. They sleep with one eye. Another eye look around. Another eye they looks around. Another eye they looks around. Dolphins sleep one eye. Dolphins sleep one eye. Another eye looks around. Another eye looks around. They do not chew the food. They do not chew the food. They bite and swallow. They bite and swallow. Not chew the food and bite and swallow. They do not chew the food. They do not chew the food. They bite and swallow. They bite and swallow. They can dive up to 1,000 feet. They can dive up to 1,000 feet. Yes, children? This is the octopus. Octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. Octopus. Octopuses are the ocean creatures. Octopuses are the ocean creatures that are famous for having 8 tentacles. 8 tentacles and rounded head. 8 tentacles and rounded head. They have 3 hearts. Octopuses are 3 hearts. Octopuses are 3 hearts. 3 hearts and blue blood. Blood color, which color? Blue color. Octopus blood color, blue. Yes, children. Next one. Being boneless, they can switch. Boneless, they can switch themselves into tight spaces. Isn't that interesting? Octopuses are the ocean creatures that are famous for having 8 tentacles. 8 tentacles and rounded head. They have 3 hearts and blue blood. 3 hearts and blue blood. Being boneless, they can switch. They can switch themselves into the tight spaces. Starfish. Next one. Starfish. S-T-A-R. Star. F-I-S-H. Fish. Starfish. S-T-A-R. Star. F-I-S-H. Fish. Starfish. Starfish. One of the most amazing facts about the starfish is that they can grow their arms. When needed, and they can also change their gender. But such an amazing animal does not have brain and blood as well. They does not have brain and blood as well. One of the most amazing facts about the starfish is that they can grow their arms. That they can grow their arms when needed, and they can also change their gender. But such an amazing animal does not have brain and blood as well. These animals live in the water. These animals live in the water are called aquatic animals. Aquatic animals. Blue whale, dolphin, octopus, starfish. Blue whale, dolphin, octopus, starfish. Blue whale is the largest water animal. Blue whale is the largest water animal. Dolphin is the most intelligent. Dolphin is the most intelligent. Octopuses are the ocean creatures. Starfish. Starfish can grow their arms when needed. Write down these words, children, in class work. Aquatic, seahorse, seal, penguin, blue whale, coral, dolphin, octopus, starfish. Write in class work. Today homework also same. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye children.